All right, so let's, I got the answers in case you need help for these 5 questions in the check-in. The first question was about Pam and Jim and their button. With a sample space of 1 to 50, you push the button, you can get a number from 1 to 50, so that's our sample space. And we want the probability of a multiple of 15. So we need to know all the possibilities. Well, 15, 30, 45, and 60. We could stop there, right? Because the sample space is 1 through 50. So 60 would not even come up. The only options are 15, 30, and 45. So if we set up our formula, what are the total possibilities? Well, there's 50 numbers. And there's 3 numbers that fit multiples of 15. So the probability is 3/50. So that is our answer. Probability is 3/50. The second problem said change 35% to a simplified fraction. 35% to a simplified fraction. Remember, percent means part of 100. So percent equals parts of 100. So we could say that would be 35 100ths. That is the same thing as 35%. So it said simplified fraction, so we need to reduce it. We can take out the factor of 5, so this can reduce to 7/20. Okay. The next question said change 0.4 to a simplified fraction. 0.4. So that's the same thing if we read that out loud as 4/10. Okay, 4/10. So how do we write that as a fraction? 4/10. But it said simplified fraction, so we need to reduce it. We can reduce it to 2/5. Okay, so the answer is 2/5. Question number 4. This is the one about Dwight. Bag with marbles. Remember, when you're setting up a problem like this, you want to set up a table. So we've got green marbles. He's got 7. We've got blue marbles. It says 5. And we got red marbles, 4. The most important part of our table is the total marbles, or the sample space. The total amount of possibilities. Well, there is 16 total marbles. Okay? In my bag, I got 16 marbles. The probability of drawing orange. Well, the total sample space, total possibilities are 16. Now, how many orange marbles do I have? Well, I got green, blue, and red. So there are 0 orange marbles. So the probability of getting orange is 0 divided by 16, or 0. You could also write 0%. There is no chance I'll get an orange marble. All right, the final question. Convert this fraction into a decimal, 3/8. Well, 3/8 can be converted into a decimal. You could write 3 divided by 8, and you could do the division. But if you remember on our memorized chart, 3/8 was equal to 0.375. Okay? If you wanted to do the division, the long division, we know that 8 goes into 30 3 times. That leaves a remainder of 6. Bring down the 0. Leaves remainder 4. Bring down the 0. And 40 leaves no remainder. So our answer is 0.375. Okay, so if you do the long division, or if you memorize this math fact, 3/8 equals 0.375. Okay, hopefully that helps. If you got any questions, be sure to let me know. Thank you.